Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and enabling Gboard because its built-in Google search makes this easy. Once installed, open Settings and set Gboard as your default keyboard. This ensures the search icon appears. Make sure to grant necessary permissions so suggestions and search work correctly. After switching, open any text field to confirm Gboard is active. If the Google icon is not visible, restart the app or phone to force the keyboard to reload and pick up its new features. Now you make the Google search key visible and usable. With Gboard open in a text field, look for the small Google G or magnifier at the top. Tapping it opens an inline search panel so you can search without leaving the app. If the icon is hidden, go to Gboard Settings, then Preferences, and enable the keyboard toolbar or search feature. This restores the key. Once done, test a query. Results should appear inline so you can insert links, images, or text directly into your conversation. Finish by using the search bar and resolving common issues. You tap the G icon, type a query, and then tap a result to paste or share it. That saves time and app switching. If the search panel fails to load, check battery optimization and privacy settings because restrictive permissions can block the toolbar. Make sure Gboard is up to date. If problems persist, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall Gboard. This usually restores the toolbar and search functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.